perfect. Damn, is it worth it to drop a couple dollars? Yo, little girlie, I'm telling you to holler over at me and bring it over here. Put it on my dick and whisper in my ear. Tell me all the dirty fantasies all up in your mind, while you just rub your ass on my pine. My pine cone all in my pants. I'm trying to get you on a dance for the dance. Trying to get that money, know you trying to get the cash, but first you gotta turn around and give me that ass. Don't walk past, tell me you dance. Tell me you wanna do the things that I want to. Don't even know you, but I'm trying to get little vocal. See you walk across the room to the bar. Post up my wealth up before she get too far. I work up quick like I know who you are. I've been watching you from afar. So we get to talk and exchanging the digits. Walking to the dance floor, she give it a second and she starts moving, starts working fast. Then she slows it down and she shows me that ass. She got on a little tight mini skirt. Everybody watching is